This always happens. That's why I want her to be with this lesson, because I can do it perfectly. But these are the things they're going to come across when they're learning to do this by hand at home by themselves. They're going to be like, oops, the foot pedal's not down. Oh no. You're not there. You don't have me there watching you do this.
Right.
That's why I like the fact that Donna's doing this, because everything she's going through right now is what every single one of my students have gone through.
I'm going to write a couple of notes that you have to do this. So make sure the needle.
Where's my book?
Is it all in
It's all in the book. That's why the book is there. I want to be a fashion designer. That goes along with these exercises. You need that book, because everything that I'm telling you now is in the book.
Okay, so I can now lift this.
Is the needle in a down position?
Yes.
Okay. Now lift and turn.
Turn this.
All right, foot down. Don't forget the foot. Up. Put that pressure foot down. And then now you can use your foot pedal.
Okay.
You're driving the car now, but you're stopping at every corner of the light. And you slow down, just like you're driving a car, before you take a turn. So just think about driving a car. You got to do the same thing as you drive a car. Yeah.
Roundabout, but
Yep.
square.
Yeah,
Roundabout.
because you never take you don't fly around a curve, do you, at a red light?
No.
No. You got a yellow light first, you slow down, and slowing down is doing this now.
So
You're
now
slowly rolling up to the red light.
to the corner.
Uh-huh. And try to get it right in that corner. Towards you. See how she's doing it toward her? Toward her. Never backwards. You'll break it. And then she will check.